Scientific experiments must follow a standardized procedure. Scientific experiments must follow a standardized procedure.
Babies begin recognizing voices within the first few weeks. Babies begin recognizing voices within the first few weeks.
Fictional stories often reveal deeper societal truths. Fictional stories often reveal deeper societal truths.
Their company introduced a groundbreaking renewable energy solution. Their company introduced a groundbreaking renewable energy solution.
Many languages are at risk of disappearing soon. Many languages are at risk of disappearing soon.
They created an app to track healthy eating habits. They created an app to track healthy eating habits.
Tides are primarily influenced by the gravitational pull of the moon. Tides are primarily influenced by the gravitational pull of the moon.
Successful leaders motivate teams with clarity and purpose. Successful leaders motivate teams with clarity and purpose.
Every profession demands dedication, patience, and continuous learning. Every profession demands dedication, patience, and continuous learning.
Technology affects how students interact with learning materials. Technology affects how students interact with learning materials.
Wolves usually travel in packs when searching for food. Wolves usually travel in packs when searching for food.
Batteries should be disposed of in special bins. Batteries should be disposed of in special bins.
Oxygen is essential for most life forms on Earth. Oxygen is essential for most life forms on Earth.
Linguistics is the scientific study of language structure and use. Linguistics is the scientific study of language structure and use.
The courtroom remained silent as the verdict was announced. The courtroom remained silent as the verdict was announced.
Mobile applications simplify everyday tasks for most users. Mobile applications simplify everyday tasks for most users.
Astronomers study distant galaxies using powerful space telescopes. Astronomers study distant galaxies using powerful space telescopes.
Climate change affects agriculture and food supply chains. Climate change affects agriculture and food supply chains.
His thesis challenges conventional approaches to global economic policy. His thesis challenges conventional approaches to global economic policy.
Cultural heritage must be preserved for future generations to appreciate. Cultural heritage must be preserved for future generations to appreciate.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.